Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Binance-linked trading account to MetaTrader 5 using the correct server login method. So let's get started. First, open your Binance account or the platform that issued your MT5 account. Copy the details like your MT5 login or account number, your password, and the server name. The server name may be listed under a broker or liquidity provider, not directly as Binance. Keep these details ready and then open the MetaTrader 5 app on your phone. Now tap on this three-line menu icon at the top left corner. Go to Manage Accounts. Now, you need to log into an existing account. For that, tap the plus icon in the top right corner. In the search bar, type the exact server or broker name provided with your MT5 details. Do not search just Binance. Select the same server name mentioned in your account details and tap on that server, like BTC. I'll just go with MetaCodes for now, just to give you a demo. Now this kind of a UI shows up. Here, you need to enter your login or account ID, password, and make sure the selected server matches exactly, and then tap Login. If everything is correct, you will see account balance, charts loading, and server status connected. Your Binance-linked trading account will be then active in MT5. And that's the proper way to connect your Binance trading account to MetaTrader 5 using the correct MT5 server and login details. If this was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video.